फ्रेंड्स, सो यहाँ पे एक बड़ी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट है, उसको डिस्कस करने के लिए दिस सेशन है। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करना इस वीडियो को यहाँ पे शेयर जरूर कर देना, बिकॉज दिस इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हेयर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अमंग ऑल द रिस्पेक्टेड बैंकर्स पेंशनर्स. So friends, this is a very important clarification. Many of the friends have requested us regarding this, and finally many of the unions, so काफ़ी यूनियन यहाँ पे रिगार्डिंग दिस टॉपिक सर्कुलर इशू कर रहे हैं. सो उसको डिस्कस करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. वी आर नाउ अ वेरी बिग फैमिली राइट हेयर. रिकवरी ऑफ कम्यूटर पेंशन फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 15 ईयर्स. यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की जो एसोसिएशन है उनकी तरफ से ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेशन है. सो क्लैरिफिकेशन. सो इन द मंथ ऑफ जून 24 द पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट restrained Haryana government from recovering commuted value pension from the retired state government employees after 10 years. So prior to this order of Punjab and Haryana High Court, the Haryana government was recovering the commuted pension from their state government employees till 15 years after retirement of an employee. So it may be borne in mind that the subject order was passed while hearing a bunch of petitions filed by the several state government pensioners who retired from different departments of the Haryana government. So in accordance with Rule 1A of Central Civil Service, so the commuted amount of pension is restored on completion of 15 years from the date of pension after commutation. The Haryana state government pensioners sought to quash the recovery of period of 15 years and reduce it to 10 years. And since the commuted value pension along with the prescribed rate of interest, that is 8.1%, stands recovered and the purpose of same stands achieved. So it should be carefully noted that the Honorable High Court issues the notice to the Haryana state government seeking their response to the issue on next date of hearing, that is 21st of August 24, and in the meanwhile restrain Haryana state government for further recovery in cases wherein the concerned petitioner has completed 10 years of retirement or above. So we understand similar order has been passed in the Honorable Allahabad High Court and subsequent writ petitions. So considering the favorable stay order, some bank pensioners including pensioners of Union Bank from Punjab and Haryana states and now also other states approached the very same High Court on a similar plea and succeeded obtaining the orders favoring the petitioners. So it is important to bear in mind that Punjab and Haryana High Court has not taken contrary view on subsequent petitions filed by the bank pensioners. So since it has already passed the stay order earlier on recovery of the commuted pension, so we are aware that grant of stay is an act of temporary stoppage and postponing the hearing trial irrespective of which side benefits. So in view of above fact, the respondents bank honored the decision of High Court and refunded the commutation amount while disbursing monthly pension since August 2024 with the provision that the petitioners are liable to refund the commutation pension paid to them since August 2024 if the stay order is quashed. So since the development several retirees colleagues pensioners of our bank are inquiring about the approach of AIU BRF, as they observed that other retiree organizations functioning in our bank have already approached the same High Court and obtained the stay order. So the case was heard on 21st of August 24 and the Honorable High Court again adjourned the hearing by 2 more months up to until 18th of October 2024. So we therefore wish to clarify and repeat that the stay order granted is temporary interim injunction restraining the respondent temporarily from doing the specified act, that is recovery of commuted pension, until the disposal of the suit or until further order of court. So since the stay order pass is temporary so far, so it will be prudent to wait till the final disposal of the case. So we assure you that AIU BRF will take all steps to secure the rights and do our utmost to protect the interest of our members and pensioners of our bank. And we are examining the orders passed by earlier by the Honorable Delhi High Court wide order 17th January 2019 and the order of dismissal of Honorable Supreme Court dated 15th of April 2019, so seeking reduction in the period of 15 years in restoration of the commuted pension. So we are sure that our retired colleagues and pensioners will realize the position as explained above and support the stand taken by AIU BRF. So with kind regard, Mr. R.K. Pabarch, General Secretary. So friends, this is something बहुत important है. So starting from the beginning, ये केस में जो हमारे स्टे ऑर्डर्स हैं इन द हॉनरेबल हाई कोर्ट्स, कैसे वो थिंग्स मूव ऑन हुई हैं इन रिलेशन टू द रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ कम्यूटेड वैल्यू ऑफ पेंशन. सो अर्लियर यहाँ पे 15 ईयर्स का अवधि थी, अभी ये कम होकर 10 ईयर्स कर दी है बाय द हॉनरेबल कोर्ट बिकॉज एट द ROI 8.1%. So earlier also we have discussed, I think maybe about two years or 1 year back, it started with the government of Gujarat, then Punjab, and now group of pensioners are approaching the same Honorable High Court for you know getting the same orders that has been given to the earlier pensioners so that they can stop the commutation of the pension. So friends, let's see इस केस में डेवलपमेंट क्या होगी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, दैट इज़ द इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन. जो IBA यहाँ पे क्या ऑर्डर्स देगी दोस्तों, उसको देखना पड़ेगा हमें. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ शेयर दिस इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट. आई हैव ट्राई टू cover the story from the beginning till the end, how it has started, how the things are right now going on. So please support us by clicking the join button, and you can support us too by clicking the subscribe button so that we can grow a family to a big number. So that's all, and most importantly, humbly share this update so that it can reach to all the respected bankers, pensioners who are eagerly waiting for the update on the computation of the pension related to the Honorable High Court orders. So that's all. Thank you for supporting us.